Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is your Victor from Wearview, and today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to photograph clothing without a model. And now I know how important it is for you to, click pictures of your dresses or of your clothes and upload it into your website or in your store. And if you don't have a good looking model or any model at all, then of course it is a very big downside, right? If you want your customers to buy your products, they should be able to see how your products would look on a model. That's what I will be teaching you today in this video. I have a tool which is Wearview, in which you will just select your products, select your model, or create your very own model, or choose from list of models that we have, AI models, and then you can just combine both of them and turn out to be a professional model wearing your dresses or wearing your garment or whatever you're trying to sell. So without any further delay, let's hop into today's video. First, what I want you guys to do is go ahead and visit Wearview.co. This is the platform where we work. We work really hard to bring all these features to you in the most easiest way possible, which you will get to know in just a matter of few minutes. So please do consider subscribing and also liking this video, as it really motivates us to create more of these videos. And if you have any feature that you want for us to incorporate or for us to put it in our Wearview platform, then please let us know in the comment box down below if there's any more feature you're looking for. So without any further delay, now after you have visited Wearview.co, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account, please go ahead and create one. It just takes less than a minute. Once you are done, once you are logged in, click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, you will get all these features that Wearview supports. We have AI Try-On Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, AI Model Creation, AI Ghost Mannequin, AI Pose Control, AI Consistent Models, and AI Model Swap. If we go a bit more scroll a bit more down, we can see recent generation, and these are the images that I have generated. These are the models that I've generated who looks really nice. As you can see, the quality of the images and also the quality of the models, they're really high quality. So for this video, as we want to photograph clothing without a model, first thing that is important, we need a model. So we can do what you can do. You can just go ahead to the AI model creation, and here you can go ahead and create your very own model. For this video, I will try to skip it because I have shown you the model creation process in my previous videos. If you are interested in, go ahead and check it out. But for this video, I'll just focus on AI product to model, because we'll be selecting a model from the list of models that we have, but we'll be uploading our clothes that we want our model to wear. So after we click on AI product to model, first we will have to select our products that we want our model to wear. So first of all, you have the option to upload up to 4 images, and these can be a dress, a t-shirt, bag, shoes, hats, shades, as well as skirts. So these are all the garments that it supports. These are the things, or these are the steps that you should follow, what works, and also the common mistakes that you should avoid. Please go ahead and read it. Also, for the best quality or the best result, please upload images that are really simple. Don't try to upload images that are very busy and that are really complicated, because this AI, as well as we don't like complicated stuff, right? We like simple stuff, just like the way I am, which is a lame joke. So what we will be doing, just click on the Add Image button, and we'll select the image that we want our AI to wear. So for this video, I want him to wear this great jacket or shirt or whatever, denim jacket, I guess. Yeah, it's a denim jacket. So next, what we're gonna do is just select another garment that we want our model to wear. So we'll choose our model to wear this pants. It just looks good. But by any chance, if you have any hats and stuff like that, you can just go ahead and click on Add Image and then choose your hat. Or probably you can also choose shoes. If you have, you can go ahead and select that up as well. For this video, I won't be choosing that pants. I have another one in my mind, which is this pant. I'll be choosing this one. It looks good. Now what we'll do, we'll just click on the next button. And like I said, you can also upload hats, shoes, and stuff like that. So we'll click on the next button. Now what we have to do is we have to select our model. Like I said, if you have a model image that you already have, then click on the choose file button and then choose the model file. But as we don't have any models, so we'll click on the My Models section and then go to Model Library. Here we have a collection of both women as well as men. We have a great collection, as you can see here. Nina, she's pretty. Sophia, she's amazing. Yasmin, she's someone who really looks like my future wife. Bad joke. Going to men, here we have a huge collection of male models as well, which you can go ahead and choose. Eric, Arjun, Kofi, stuff like that. But by any chance you want to create your very own model, then click on Create AI Model. You will be prompted a few steps that you should have to follow, and you can create your very own models. I have created my models in my past. You can see Ash is my model. Ahmed is one of my model. Arthur, manly guy, is one of my model, as well as other Benjamin and stuff like that. I created them. It just works like great. So what I'll do, I'll go to Model Library and I'll choose Eric for this project. We want Eric to be our model. So once we're done choosing our model, we'll click on the next button. Now you have the option to describe your model setting. Here you can describe how your model should be posing for your image and stuff like that. It's an optional feature, but if you want, you can go ahead and try it out. You can also go to prompt tips and it will show you what works and all the common mistakes that you should avoid. If you want to get started, we also have some great prompts that you can just go ahead and copy. We have e-commerce, lifestyle, streetwear, editorial, luxury, and corporate. You can just copy any one of them and just paste it over here. It's that simple. And if you are typing your very own prompt and you're not happy with the prompt, then click on the Enhance button. It will use the power of AI to rewrite the prompt in a much better way possible. As you can see, it is written, and if you are happy with it, you can use it. But for this video, I'll just skip it. And also it supports multilingual, so you can explain, or you can prompt it in your language as well, which is something very nice. Next, we have to select our quality. If you're really serious about your clothing store, then of course, hands down, go ahead with the 4K image quality. But if you ask me, even the 2K resolution does the job as well. But like I said, if you're serious, then of course, better to choose the best quality possible. But for this video, I'll choose 2K. And for the number of images, let's choose up to 4 unique variations per generation. So you can just choose from the 4 images which one you're about to pick. Next comes aspect ratio, whether you want this to be 3:4, or you want it to be square, which is 1:1, or vertical, which is 9:16, or maybe horizontal, which is 16:9. But for this video, I'll choose a default one and click on the generate button. Now this will take around 30 to 40 seconds for transforming the product to model, and it says 3 minutes, but no, it doesn't take around 3 minutes. It just takes around 30 seconds. So I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll resume the video once the generation completes. See you there. All right, guys, so as you can see, Eric is ready, wearing our jacket as well as the pants. It just looks really nice on him. We'll just move myself a bit to the corner, and we can just check all the images that we have generated. If you want, you can see there is a bit of variation. The t-shirt and his chest, it's a bit different. So that's the variation that you can just look for. By any chance, if you are not happy with the generation, you can go ahead and click on the refine button and then go ahead and type something, describe what you want to change from the image. Maybe you want the fabric, smooth fabric wrinkles, brighten the background, or you can just remove background distractions and stuff like that. You can just go ahead and do it. And I am really happy with the results that has come up. Yeah, it's really high quality. And if you want, you can also flip the image horizontally, but here it doesn't make that much of a difference. You can also, if you're not happy with the results, you can go ahead and click on the try again button. It will just start again. Or by any chance you want to start fresh, then click on the start fresh button. and you can start everything from where you started. But for me, I'm really happy with these dresses, so I'll just download these images, both of these images, because I think the bottom ones are also quite similar. So I'll choose the top images and then I'll update this combination in my clothing store, because I know images like this are sure shot they will convert my customers, hopefully. So that's how you can photograph your clothes without a model. I know how expensive it is and also how much time consuming it is to hire a professional professional photographer or a videographer, because he will also charge for the model's photography and stuff like that. It is really expensive, but now with the help of Wearview, you can do that with less than 10 minutes. Well, that's pretty much it. This is your Victor signing out from Wearview. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. And like I said, if you want any features, if you have any feature requests, then please let us know in the comment box down below. We go through each and every one of those comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, take care.